Hello guys, welcome to you. In this video, we are going to see how to reset preferences, clear cache and disable plugins in Adobe Premiere Pro 2024. It is a very easy and simple process. So let's go to our video. Here is my Adobe Premiere Pro. Whenever you open your Adobe Premiere Pro, if you're using Windows, then press Alt key or hold Alt key. If you're using Mac, then press Option key or hold Option key. I am using Windows, so I go to here my Adobe Premiere Pro shortcut or open Adobe Premiere Pro and hold the Alt key. I double click on my Adobe Premiere Pro, hold the Alt key. I hold the Alt key, I press hold the Alt key, and here we find reset option. Here we find reset app preferences. I want this. I want to clear media cache file. Select this. I want to reset. Then I select this, and I want to disable third-party plugins for only one time for this session of the Adobe Premiere Pro. Then I select this. I select this, and if you want to disable for this session or this session, then select this and click on the continue. Wait for a few seconds, and your problem is solved. You reset the Adobe Premiere Pro preferences, clear cache and disable plugins in Adobe Premiere Pro. So guys, thank you for watching this video. Don't forget to like, share, comment on this video, and don't forget to subscribe the channel. Thank you guys.